Hi, friends. I hope you're doing well and staying healthy. Did you watch the video from last week where we talked about the letter A, which is right here, and the square? In my video, I asked you to find squares and the letter A around your house. Did you find any? If you find any and your parents will do it, have them take a picture of you showing me the square, the letter A, and what I tell you today, and send those pictures on Class Dojo. I'd love to see them, and I'd love to see you, your face, because I haven't seen you for quite a while. Today we're going to learn about the letter B, the number 3, and a rectangle. You won't need anything again today except for your computer or your iPad, whatever you're using, and a place where you can listen and pay attention. Are you ready? All right. Let's begin by saying the alphabet. Remember, you repeat after me. I say the letter and show it to you, and you say the same letter right after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's count to 20. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's review our shapes. Square, rectangle, circle, oval, triangle, diamond or rhombus, heart, star, and this one I have trouble drawing. It's a hexagon with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last week we talked about the square, and the square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of the sides are straight. They're not curved like a circle. They're straight up and down or straight across. And all of the sides are the same length. For instance, the numbers that I showed you last week are shaped like a square. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all the same length and they're all straight. Today we're going to talk about the rectangle. And a rectangle can have 2 sides that are longer. The top and the bottom sides of this rectangle are longer, and the shorter sides are on the side. So longer sides, shorter sides. It still has the same 4 sides, but 2 of them can be longer and 2 can be shorter. Earlier, when we counted our numbers to 20, you might have noticed that this big piece of paper is shaped like a rectangle. When we did our alphabet, the letters that I showed you are also shaped like a rectangle. 2 sides can be longer, 2 sides can be shorter. Last week when I taught you about the 10 frame, my 10 frame is shaped like a rectangle. 2 long, 2 short. It's a rectangle if I hold it this way with the 2 short ones on top. It's a rectangle if I hold it to the side like this with the 2 short sides on the sides. See if you can find rectangles around your house today. You might find them in the ceiling. Windows might be shaped like rectangles. Books, pictures. If your parents will do it, have them take a picture of you showing a rectangle and send it to me on Class Dojo. Last week we talked about the letter A. Here's a blue capital or uppercase A. A makes 2 sounds. It can say ah as in apple, or A as in apron, we are going to mostly talk about the short A sound, ah. And if you remember, we make the sign for the letter A by putting our hand up with our palm facing out, and we move our hand up, down, up, down. And while we're moving our hand, we say A says apple. After the letter A, we have the letter B. And here is a green uppercase or capital B. B says b, as in bunny or ball or bubbles. Here's a blue uppercase B that I put below the green one. And next to the blue B, I'm going to put an orange lowercase b. In preschool, we are going to start by just learning about the uppercase letters. The lowercase letter, though, in the letter B, is how we make the sign for the letter B. And the way you make it is you take your hand and you face your palm this way and put your other hand in front of it. And if you look, it's like we're making the lowercase b. Now drop the hand that makes the circle, and we say B says ball. B says ball. Do it with me. Put your hand up with your palm facing this way, just like the letter B faces this way. And we say B says ball. Now let's put it together. A says apple. B says ball. Do you remember what this is called? This is the number 1. Sometimes it has a top on it. Sometimes it has a bottom on it. Most of the time, I make it with just a straight line down. This is one on the 10 frame. This is one using fingers. Can you hold up one finger? Now hold up a different finger. I'll hold up my pinky. That's still 1. After 1, I'm going to put up a yellow 2. Here's 2 on my 10 frame, 2 dots, and this is 2 fingers. Can you show me 2 fingers? Now hold up 2 different fingers. After 2, I'm going to teach you a new number this week, and I'm going to put up an orange 3. That's the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's 3 on the 10 frame. And if you hold up 3 fingers, you need all your fingers except 2. I'll hold up those 3. Can you hold up 3? 3. We'll work on the number 3 all week. All right, it's time for phonemic awareness. This is when I'm teaching you the first part of learning to read. We'll start by me saying 2 words that rhyme, which means they sound the same at the end of the word. And you repeat the words right after me. When I put my hand like this, that means you repeat it. Remember, I'll be looking down at my book when I read the words. Ready? Dog, log. You should have said dog, log, just like I did. Tin, win. Fit, sit. Nap, map. Mud, bud. Rhyming words. It's fun to try to find rhyming words around your house or when you're talking. The next thing we're going to do is I will say a word, and then I'll say the sound that we hear at the beginning of the word. And then it will be your turn to repeat and do the exact same thing. Use your hands just like I do. Go, ga. Hat, ha. Van, va. Kid, ka. Rock, ra. Now we'll do compound words. And remember, compound words are 2 small words that we put together to make a new word. We'll say the whole word, and then we'll break it down into the 2 smaller words. Put your hands up and be ready for when it's your turn. Upstairs, upstairs. You should have said upstairs, upstairs, just like I did. Hot dog, hot dog. Cupcake, cup, cake. Birthday, birth, day. Something, some, thing. Our last thing we'll do today are nursery rhymes. Let's go back and review the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Hands up. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Now we're going to learn Little Miss Muffet. And the way we're going to learn it is I will read a line, and then I want you to repeat my line. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. That's all we'll do with nursery rhymes today. And actually, that's all we're going to do today, period. Remember, you have homework. Look around your house and find rectangles, shapes like this big dry erase board that have 4 sides. They're all straight, and 2 of the sides can be longer and 2 of the sides can be shorter. I look forward to finding pictures when I open Class Dojo of you finding rectangles around your house. Have a great day.